How to change A's in Brawl Stars app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can change A's in Brawl Stars app. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do that. So if you want to change your A's in Brawl Stars app, you can head over to the application itself, and in the top right corner you can find a hamburger icon. You just need to go ahead and click on it. So from this menu, you need to head over to settings first and go over to help and support. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then from there, you'll be led to this page. So from this section, you need to head over to account and you need to go to this account, or you can directly head over to the messages icon at the top, this one right here, and look out for this option called leave a message. So all you need to do is under this leave a message section, you need to go ahead and contact the Brawl Stars support team in order to change your A's in Brawl Stars. Just go ahead and explain your issue with them and they should help you change your A's in Brawl Stars. So that is it for now. Following up this method, you can change your A's in Brawl Stars. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.